Ever wondered why it's so hard to quit scrolling through social media feeds? The answer lies in a common human experience: addiction. Addiction isn't just about substances like nicotine or alcohol. It's a pattern of behavior that's hard to control or quit, even when it's causing problems. And it's this very concept that social media platforms ingeniously leverage to keep us engaged. Imagine this: each time you like a post or leave a comment, each time your phone dings with a new notification, there's a little burst of excitement. That's dopamine, a neurotransmitter flooding your brain. Dopamine is often referred to as the feel-good hormone because of the sense of pleasure and satisfaction it brings. In essence, each interaction on social media becomes a mini reward, a dopamine hit, creating a pleasurable experience that you subconsciously crave to repeat. This cycle of action, reward, and repeat is the same mechanism that underpins addictive behaviors. Then there's the role of algorithms. Social media platforms are engineered to show you more of what you like, keeping you interested and engaged. These algorithms analyze your behavior, your likes, comments, shares, even the amount of time you spend looking at a post, and use this data to curate a feed that's uniquely tailored to your preferences. The more you engage, the better they become at predicting what will keep you scrolling, and so you keep scrolling. And let's not forget the endless scroll. Social media platforms are designed to provide an infinite stream of content, removing any natural stopping cues and giving you a reason to stay engaged just a little longer. Who knows what interesting post might be up next? This sense of potential discovery, combined with the dopamine reward system, creates a powerful pull that keeps you coming back for more. So, to sum it up, the design of social media, from its rewarding feedback to its endless scroll, is meant to keep us hooked. Imagine if we could harness that addictive quality of social media for something beneficial, like learning. What if we could make the pursuit of knowledge as enticing as scrolling through an endless feed of posts? The good news is we can. And it's all thanks to a concept known as gamification. Gamification is the process of applying game design elements in non-game contexts. It's about making an otherwise mundane task feel like an exciting challenge. A prime example of this is the language learning app, Duolingo. Duolingo takes the process of learning a new language and turns it into a game. Users earn points for completing lessons, and they can maintain streaks for consistent learning. There's even a competitive element, with leaderboards that pit users against each other in a friendly contest of knowledge acquisition. This gamification of learning does more than just make the process more enjoyable. It taps into the same reward system that makes social media so addictive. Every completed lesson, every point earned, and every day on a streak triggers a release of dopamine, that feel-good neurotransmitter that keeps us coming back for more. But it's not just about making learning feel like a game. Social interaction plays a crucial role in fostering engagement and motivation. Much like how we interact with friends and followers on social media, Duolingo has a community forum where users can engage with each other. They can ask questions, share insights, and even help each other through difficult lessons. This sense of community not only encourages users to stay active on the platform, but it also makes the learning process feel less isolating and more like a shared journey. By incorporating elements of gamification and social interaction, learning can become an exciting and addictive activity. It's about turning the pursuit of knowledge into something that's not just rewarding, but something that's genuinely fun. And when learning is fun, it becomes a habit, a part of our daily routine that we look forward to, not something we have to force ourselves to do. So let's embrace this new approach to learning, and let's turn our addiction to social media into an addiction to knowledge. It's time to rethink how we view screen time. Traditionally, we've been told that screen time is the villain of our digital age, a thief of precious moments, and a contributor to cognitive decline. But is that perspective entirely accurate? What if we could shift our perception and see screen time as an ally, a tool for personal growth and lifelong learning? Imagine, if you will, the vast digital universe as an immense library, filled with countless books, articles, videos, and interactive courses, all at our fingertips. The screen isn't just a portal to social media distractions, it's a gateway to knowledge. Our devices can become personal tutors, guiding us through the intricacies of a new language, the wonders of world history, or the complexities of quantum physics. But as with anything, balance is key. It's crucial to set healthy boundaries. Just as we wouldn't spend all day in a library without taking a break, we shouldn't spend all day in front of a screen. Establishing dedicated learning times, taking regular breaks, and incorporating offline activities into our routines can help maintain a healthy equilibrium. And let's not forget the importance of using our screens for productive purposes. The next time you pick up your device, consider opening an educational app instead of social media. Transform your screen time into learning time. With the right approach, screen time can become a productive and enriching part of our lives. So, can we turn the addictive nature of social media into a force for good? Absolutely. By harnessing the principles that make social media addictive, we can turn learning into an engaging and enjoyable experience. Gamification, social interaction, and a shift in our perception of screen time can help us create a learning environment that is both addictive and productive. But let's not stop there. There are even more ways to make learning as addictive as social media. Consider using learning apps that are designed to be addictive. Take Duolingo, Memories, or Lumosity, for example. These apps incorporate game design elements and social features that make learning not just informative, but fun and engaging. Setting learning goals and tracking your progress is another effective technique. Seeing your own progress can be a powerful motivator. You can use a learning journal or a learning management system to keep track of your learning journey. Finding a learning community can also make a big difference. Learning doesn't have to be a solitary activity. Joining a community of learners can make the process more enjoyable and motivating. Lastly, rewarding yourself for learning can create a positive association. When you achieve a learning goal, celebrate. Give yourself a small reward. This will help you associate learning with positive feelings and make it more addictive. By making learning as addictive as social media, we can transform screen time into a productive and enjoyable experience.